Hey guys, welcome back to Channel Series here. As you know, today, excuse me for a second. I'm gonna cry. No, but today, and also, before I start anything, thank you to Taylor for posting that Thanks Isaiah video. Really appreciate it. Make sure everyone on my channel go check out his channel, Taylor Cliff. And Cody Go. Everyone go check out his channel. Make sure to get everyone to like at least 21 subscribers. Like me, we'll be the same, and then we'll just go up from there. So a lot of my friends said I can do a lot of. This is gonna be a funny video. Oh, I'm gonna feel so bad, but. No, I'm not going to feel bad. I'm going to feel like an idiot because a lot of my friends at futsal training said, "Oh, Zai, you are awesome at armpit making." So, well, they didn't say I was awesome, but they just told me to upload a video of this. So, I'm going to be doing a couple of different sounds of this, and let's go. No, I'll stay here. Okay, ready? First one. I don't know if you can hear that one. That's the first one. Second one. Ooh, that was a weird one. Other one. It's just hard to do these. Whoa, that was a bit cool. And then. Oh, that was a bit weird. Yeah, I just felt like a dork. I'm sorry. But, yeah, guys. I don't want to stop the video now. I think I'm going to have to. Guys. Comment down below what you should name, what video challenge I should do next. That was just a stupid video, I don't know. Yeah, so, tell me what in the comments down below, yeah, tell me what challenge. I'm sorry guys, this chili sauce challenge, I really want this uploaded, because I think it'll get a lot of views because of, JC's in it. It's gonna be funny. Try to upload it maybe tomorrow. It'll be good. So, or we'll just make another one that's a bit shorter. I'll just do that. Anyway, guys, go tell your friends about this channel. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.